Information about timber market in Palestine. I can provide you with some general information about the timber market in Palestine based on the available information. In Palestine, the demand for timber is primarily driven by the construction industry, as well as the furniture and handicrafts sectors. However, due to the limited supply of timber resources in the region, most of the timber used in Palestine is imported. According to the Palestinian Central Bureau of Statistics, the total value of timber imports to Palestine in 2020 was approximately $21.2 million USD. The majority of this timber was imported from Europe, with smaller amounts coming from other countries such as Turkey, China, and Jordan. In terms of regulations, the Palestinian Ministry of Agriculture has implemented measures to regulate the timber trade in Palestine. This includes requirements for importers to obtain permits and comply with certain environmental and social standards. Overall, while the timber market in Palestine is relatively small, it plays an important role in the local economy and is expected to continue to grow as the construction industry and other sectors expand.